To avoid future payment blocks on your Google account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account remains in good standing and your transactions go smoothly. Step 1. Keep payment information updated. Regularly check and update your payment method in your Google account settings. Ensure that your credit card or bank information is current and that the billing address matches the one on file with your financial institution. Step 2. Monitor account activity. Frequently review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions or suspicious behavior. If you notice anything unusual, report it immediately to Google Support and your bank. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Set up two-factor authentication for added security on your Google account. This extra layer of protection helps prevent unauthorized access, which can lead to payment blocks. Step 4. Avoid frequent changes. Limit the number of changes you make to your payment methods. Frequent updates can trigger security alerts and may lead to temporary payment blocks. Stick to a stable payment method whenever possible. Step 5. Contact support for issues. If you encounter any issues with payments or receive a block notification, contact Google Support promptly. They can provide assistance and help resolve any problems that may lead to future payment blocks. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Google account remains secure and free from payment blocks. Regular maintenance and vigilance are key to a smooth experience.